If you want to look slimmer without hitting the gym, there are several effective strategies you can employ. Start by wearing well-fitted clothing that lightly hugs your form, avoiding both tight and loose styles that can create unflattering bulk. Highlight your natural waist with tailored tops and choose pieces that emphasize your chest and hips to create a balanced silhouette. Pay attention to hemlines that provide clean lines at your waist and hips, and opt for straight leg or bootcut jeans and knee-length skirts. Accessories like long necklaces and bold bracelets can draw the eye and create illusions of height and slimness, while dark colors and vertical stripes help reduce visual bulk. Be cautious with prints. Opt for subtle patterns and avoid those that can add size. Consider shapewear for added support, and remember that good posture can make a significant difference in your appearance. Lastly, wearing heels can enhance your posture and elongate your legs, contributing to a slimmer look.